Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to clone your own voice and build an AI avatar using DupDub. It's quick, simple, and you can try it for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and then just search for DupDub AI and then just click the link and then just click the official link like this and then just tap on start a free trial, this one like this. You will be taken straight into a dashboard like this, which is packed with different AI tools like this. And then let's create a custom voice clone. Just tap on the instant voice cloning, this one, and then you will see a few options to add a voice sample. You can upload an audio from your device or record directly with your mic in your device, and then you can even paste a link to audio online. And in this tutorial I will just use a audio file from my device. Like this. And then don't forget to give it the voice a name, for example like this. And then you can also turn on the reduce background noise feature, this one, just tap on it. And then just set the voice descriptions like language, just set the language, and then accent, gender, age, and then styles like this. And when you're done, just checklist in here and then just add to my voice. Like this. In a few moments your unique AI voice is ready to use, like this. Now let's make things even cooler by building an AI avatar. Just choose AI avatar, this one, and then just select a voiceover. Just see all, just tap see all to search for your AI voice, and then tap on my voice, and then just tap this one, confirm, and then just type a script over here, a script that you want to avatar say, for example like this. For example like this. And then you can also adjust the pitch and speed. And then next, just choose your avatars. You can choose from the avatars that are available on these tools, or just upload your own avatar. And in this tutorial I will just upload my own avatar. This, and then before you tap on generate, you can also preview the script.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to clone your voice with AI.
Like this, and it generate. Okay, like this, let's play the video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to clone your voice with AI.
Okay, that's it. Your AI avatar just comes to life, speaking exactly what you type in your chosen voice. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to clone your own voice and create a talking avatar using DupDub. It's super easy, right? Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.